Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a congratulatory graduation letter. What is a congratulatory graduation letter? A congratulatory graduation letter is a written message expressing joy, pride, and best wishes to an individual who has successfully completed an academic program, typically a degree, diploma, or certification. This letter acknowledges the recipient's achievement, highlights their hard work and dedication, and offers positive sentiments for their future endeavors. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a congratulatory graduation letter step by step. Check this out. First thing first, you will need to write your information as the writer or sender. Yes, you can start with your full name. And then, write your home address. Or you can also write your institution, if you write on behalf of it. And most importantly, write the full address of your home or institution. You need to write the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing your information, now you can continue to write the date of the letter. The format you can use should be the month, date, and year. For the next, you can continue by writing the information about the recipient, who is the person you want to congratulate. Write their full name. Under it, write their home address. Again, make sure you include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code for the full address. After completing these information, you may start opening the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear," followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is where you write the introduction. You can start with greeting the recipient. Besides, express the purpose of the letter, which is to congratulate them on their graduation. And here is the example of how you write it. I am writing to extend my heartfelt congratulations on your outstanding achievement of graduating with a master's degree in business administration. Yes, you have to mention the specific achievement. In this case, the recipient is graduating with a master's degree in business administration. Make sure you write the correct one. And then, convey your joy and pride in the recipient's accomplishment. If you don't know what to write, you may simply copy this. This is a momentous occasion. And I wanted to take a moment to express my joy and pride in your accomplishment. In the second paragraph, this is where you need to show your acknowledgement of achievement of the recipients. Yes, emphasize the significance of completing a master's degree. Not only that, acknowledge also the recipient's hard work, dedication, and perseverance. The sample here is the proper way how to do it. Sure, you can copy or modify this sentence. Completing your master's degree is a testament to your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. After that, you can continue to highlight the connection between their passion for business administration and the successful attainment of the degree. Of course, this is important to show how incredibly their achievement is. And you may write, "It is clear that your passion for business administration and your commitment to excellence have brought you to this significant milestone." You can use your own words in expressing your feelings. In the third paragraph, you can continue to give the recipient encouragement for the future. In order to do that, you need to express confidence in the recipient's abilities and predict a successful future. The sentence should also offer encouragement for the recipient's next steps, whether it involves further education or entering the professional world. Here is the example of how you write it. As you embark on the next chapter of your journey, whether it be further education or entering the professional world, I am confident that your skills, knowledge, and determination will continue to open doors of opportunity. Of course, congratulatory letter is not necessarily congratulations and done. There are more to write to make it professional and full-heartedly. In the fourth paragraph, now you can write about reflection on the achievement. It means, you need to encourage the recipient to reflect on the success they've earned and the knowledge gained during their academic journey. For example, you can write it this way. Please take a moment to savor the success you've earned and the knowledge you've gained during your academic journey. Besides that, you can also acknowledge that the achievement extends beyond intellect, showcasing character and resilience. It will be beautiful if you write it this way. Your achievement is not only a reflection of your intellect, but also of your character and resilience. Sure, you can compose your own words here. In the 5th paragraph, you can continue by wishing continued success for the recipient. Yes, extend wishes for continued success, fulfillment, and the pursuit of dreams. If you have no idea what it is like, you may simply copy this. May your future be filled with continued success, fulfillment, and the pursuit of your dreams. And not only that, but you can also remind the recipient that challenges are opportunities for growth. And remind the recipient that their education has equipped them for confident navigation. In this example, the sender wrote, "Remember that every challenge is an opportunity to grow. And your education has equipped you with the tools to face them confidently." And for the last paragraph, this is the closing. Make it impressive by reiterating congratulations on the graduation. You may simply write, "Once again, congratulations on your graduation." And then, express anticipation for witnessing the recipient's contributions to their field, such as business administration. And here is the example. "I look forward to witnessing the incredible contributions you will undoubtedly make to the field of business administration." And don't forget to wish the recipient all the best things. For example is, "Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors." And finally, you can close the letter by offering warm regards. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. You may also add your contact information for future communication. They can be phone number or email address. So, that's how you write a congratulatory graduation letter step by step. The recipient must be happy when you write one properly. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you